guys, welcome. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We are still powering through dirty data. I'm going to direct your attention here to my screen and let's carry on. Last time we were here, we were cleaning up. We managed to remove all the hyperlinks from the data, and then we are busy splitting up the data, trying to find a way to get the data separated from the non-data. Right. So what we did is we said, okay, this column here will only show if it's either alphabetical thing or one of those countries in that alphabetical letter or whatever. Now let's see, Brazil, yeah, that's cool. I'm just trying to see if the status, there's C. So C, Bulgaria, current. I'm trying to find what has the edit in brackets, all of it. So C, then Canada, and obviously that's not the country. The car's current in Canada, and then defunct. Oh, okay, so that's like all. Okay, no stress, no worries. This is still cool. So how are we gonna sort out in a quick and easy way? Just get the A values, because you must imagine how this data could be thousands of lines long as well. So you cannot say, oh man, but you can just go to the next letter and then you can just highlight and copy and paste. No, what if this was thousands of records, right? Rows, like the Excel can't even open it, so much data is there. We need to have a way to do this quickly and easily, and that's what I'm trying to help you guys with. So as it is at the moment, we've got clean up data. There's an alphabet, we've got that sorted out. So defunct, we know that is that, and then that's a country, that's okay. So that's lovely. Australia, defunct Australia, okay, that's wonderful. How are we going to do this? So we can say whatever does not have this, we want to put that separate. Yeah, so that's cool. In this column, yeah, we're going to say, because we've got that is now our alphabetical indicator, so A, B, blah, blah, blah. In this column here, we're going to put, we can do it on the first row, so equals, we're going to put everything that does not have edit in brackets. So if, this is an easy one, if that field, that field is empty, then we want to have this field. Otherwise, we want nothing. Okay, let's see. Boom. It's working. Lovely. So let's populate it all the way down. So now we've got A. So we've got this as a reference point, and then under A we've got, there's the country still, but then those are car makers, right? This is cool. We're getting there. We're getting there. C also. So what we can do with the C also, we can take that out completely as well. There's an easy way of doing that though. But let's do it with formulas, because formulas are so fun, right? We can do that easily. We're going to do that in here. So we say here equals if left, and the left of that field is for how many characters. So now we need to count number of characters. That would be C also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm counting the letters in there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it 9? 9. Equals, if left equals C also. I think I included that. Let's count them quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Okay. Then you must give us nothing. Else you must give us H1. Okay, so let's see now what's going to happen. C also, nothing, and then else give us that. So now we've got the C also's rooted out, or removed. So we've got A, and then we've got all of that. There shouldn't be any country names in this list here as well. We're done. Ladies and gentlemen, we're done. the requirement for our example or experiment or our project was not to um, have current and working car manufacturers. It was just a list of car manufacturers. So we've got that now. So what you can do is you copy this list, copy, right? And you paste it somewhere wherever you want it. Let's keep it in the same sheet. So let's paste it in here. We're going to say paste values only, so that it doesn't do that and remove, because otherwise it's pasting the reference. Now we're going to sort this entire column A to Z, and yeah, that's fine. It's fine that there's a lot of empty values. Now we just go down and we find it. We highlight the top part there and we delete it because we're not needing empty cells. Shift cells up, yes please. Alright, so there's many car manufacturers. Now these two are obviously not a car manufacturer. It's part of the site that copied across. So we say shift cells up. There we go. This is interesting, right? So now we can say, okay, in this list of values, which is 964, I very much doubt that there's 964 car manufacturers across the world. It sounds way too many. You can go and you can put a nice little formula equals unique. When I was still in school, this was not one of the possible formulas, but I'm very impressed with it now that it exists. There we are, the entire column, and it filters out all the duplicates and it gives you only the unique values. So let's see, unique, it should be much less, let's see, sure. God damn, there's a lot of car manufacturers. Okay, it's a couple less. So 900 and something car manufacturers existing and defunct, according to now Wikipedia, in the world. That's a lot. That's sort of many, right? That's a lot of car manufacturers. Sure. Okay. So there's your list today. We powered through dirty data. You remember where we came from? We came from this terrible list here. Let me just show you. There we go. On Wikipedia. Now, this is the quickest way of getting on. This is not a very terribly dirty list, but I mean, about how else would you do it? And I think this was quite cool. We spent like 10 minutes on it. And there you are, a clean, workable list of car manufacturers. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, so to stick with the topic, I mean, I don't want to, if you delete all of that thing, sorry, you copy and paste this thing, just in place, copy, and then paste it, and just say values, that unique list, otherwise it's going to disappear when you do something. Delete. There we go. So, oh, why? This is also a cool test for dirty data. If you expand the column and you see that it is going across the page until like 1,000 characters, then you know something is amiss. And now it's a quick scroll down to see where this is coming from. You see that's not a car manufacturer. Extremely funny if it were. You can just delete that. And this thing, oh, they're default, so they can stay. This can go as well. That's not a car manufacturer. This is also not a car manufacturer. If it were, very, very funny name. That's also not toggle limited. So now this is the manual part you quickly need to run through. It's just check for stuffs that do not belong, right? V. Why did V come through? Oh, maybe that's a car manufacturer. I'm leaving it. Because not any of the other ones letters came through, so that one can go. It was a double. Volvo, buses, cars, trucks. You should probably keep them separate. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, I think we clean up the data. Let's shrink the column. That is more acceptable. Now we know there's not like a sentence where data should be. Here we go. We can remove that. Quick scroll through, identified this. So this is going. No cars called main article. List of. So you can actually just go quickly through your list and find all the things that start with the letter like list or whatever. Lists of automobiles, lists portal. Lister, though, that might be a vehicle brand. Okay. The rest is looking good, in my opinion. I'm not seeing anything else so far. Oh, this is lovely. All right, so there we got data off the internet, and we quickly cleaned up the data and got it into a workable form. And it's not that difficult. We did it by means of a couple of formulas. Quick. There you go. What is our total count now? It is 914, and that's still way more than I expected. But as you can see, we still have some dirty data. Okay, cool. Thank you guys for watching. This was quite fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Not as much as I did, because if you did enjoy it as much as I did, then something's wrong, because I'm way too much into this. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one. Da da da.